What is at stake for this key raw material? Palm cultivation is more efficient than for other oils, with 10% of the soil cultivated in oilseeds for 35% of the world volume of vegetable oils. Consumers, citizens, have become aware that this culture is not without effect, that it can have social and ecosystemic impact in production areas. So, what should we do? Substitute palm derivatives with other oils, which will eventually impact other ecosystems and will pose a social risk to palm-producing areas. Improve the sustainability of palm supply chains and seek collaboration with many stakeholders with diverse interests. At CEPIC, we have chosen to commit ourselves with the stakeholders of our palm supply chains to make these supply chains sustainable, as we have to do for all our vegetable oil supply chains. Next episode: Acting with Stakeholders.